When life gets stressful, your vívosmart 4 activity tracker has a feature that can help you calm down and relax. In this video, you'll see how to use the relaxation timer to control your breathing, which can help reduce stress. All-day stress tracking on your vívosmart 4 automatically measures your heart rate variability to calculate and display your body's current stress level. You can view this stress number on your stress widget anytime you're sitting or at rest. The stress level ranges from 0 to 100, with 0 to 25 showing a resting state, 26 to 75 indicating a low to medium stress range, and 76 to 100 representing a high stress state. If you notice you're at a high level for a while, it might be a good idea to take a short break to relax. Just swipe up from the home screen to find the stress widget. Then tap the screen to access the Relax timer. You'll see a check mark, which you can tap to start the guided breathe timer. For an added level of stress awareness, there's also an optional Relax Reminder feature that you can turn on in the Garmin Connect mobile app. This will enable your vívosmart 4 to provide vibration alerts when it senses you've reached a higher than normal stress level for an extended time. It will invite you to use the relaxation timer. Just tap the check mark to begin. You'll see this icon appear on the display with a series of 4 open dots beneath it. The dots will fill in solid, then open in sequence to show you how long you should breathe in and breathe out as you relax. A vibration will also cue you when it's time to breathe in, hold, or breathe out. Follow the breathing prompts on the device until the timer runs out. Your updated stress level number appears when the relaxation timer ends. By then, hopefully your stress level is lowered and you can return to your day more calmly. You can repeat the exercise whenever you still feel stressed or want a moment of relaxation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series to learn more about the fitness and wellness tools on your vívosmart 4.